So hi guys, welcome to Chart Traders channel for tomorrow trade setup. So let's look whether it's going to be negative or positive tomorrow because of the Reliance news that Mukesh Ambani has resigned from Jio. So whether it's going to impact or not, let's look at the Reliance chart first before talking about the Nifty, Bank Nifty. Before that, our channel is only for educational purpose, guys. So if you are trading, please contact your finance advisor. Let me change my screen to Reliance chart and see how it's going to react tomorrow. Okay. Hope you guys are able to see my Reliance chart. Let me zoom it. Okay. This was the level which I shared and today in our Telegram channel. If it break, uh, 2521, that was in resistance. If that break, next resistance is 2542, and there is a chance it can move further. Okay, tomorrow if market is positive, if Reliance sustain this 2521 20 levels, right, then there is a chance it can move this, it can reach this resistance and can also try to touch this trend line. Okay, there is a gap, right, it can fill this gap. Okay, so we should never try to follow the news, we should always follow the levels. Okay, so if it break this levels, okay, if it Reliance break this 15,000 sorry 2,500 and 500 levels, right, then it is negative. Okay, then there is a chance it can again come back to 2,450 points here, can try to catch. So this is how we need to trade, guys, looking at the level. So that's the example I want to share, and that's the reason I mentioned in my screen saying that whether it's going to impact. So if you need to follow this level, then you need to trade. Okay, for tomorrow you need to follow. If it open negative, fails to hold this 2500 levels, right, then Reliance is negative. And if open positive, sustain this 2521, then there is a chance it can move further till this level and can fill this gap. So that's about the Nifty. Sorry, that's about the Reliance. Let's look at the Nifty chart. So how it's going to react tomorrow. Let me zoom this. So I have Manju also with me. Hi Manju. So what is your view of whether it's going to be positive or negative tomorrow?
Hemant, I have some network issue. I can't see the chat here.
Okay, that's fine. Okay,
I mean, more or less, the levels are similar to yours only.
okay. This is the level on Nifty you need to watch, guys. Tomorrow, if it break this, I mean, it was trying to break this trend line today. At this, it was it made an high till 15,800 and 900 levels. So if it sustain this, and there is a chance it can move further till 16,000 level for tomorrow. If it open negative and fails to hold this at this trend line support, right, you can draw a trend line here. Okay, this will be a trend line. Take 15 minutes time frame. Okay, if it fails to hold this 15,800 levels, right, then there is a chance it can fall till 700. That is the next support. Okay, so 700 the next support. If this is a very strong support, guys, 15,700, if that break, there is a chance it can move further till here 15,500. But you need to watch at this trend line. If it break, then it is negative. Okay, and if it open positive, we can look at 16,000 is the first target, and there is a chance it can fill this gap in coming days, not tomorrow. So for tomorrow, you can keep this as 16,000 at this level. Okay, let's look at the Bank Nifty chart, how it's going to react. So if you look at the chart, it was trying to break this 33,700 740 levels. Okay, tomorrow if it open above this level, right, there is chance it can again touch this 34,000 level tomorrow on the positive side. If it open negative, fails to hold this 33,500 or 600 levels, right, or you can keep this trend line. Okay, that will be coming around this range. Okay, so at this range 33,500, if that fails, then easily you can expect 33,150, 33,000 levels. So this is the level you need to watch. Okay, on bank nifty for tomorrow. Okay, so let's look at the OI data, what the OI data says. Give me a minute, let me change my screen to nifty OI data. Nifty over data, very strong resistance 16,000. So that's the reason we also, the chart also mentioned 16,000 there. And a good support we have 15,700, 15,800. So this is the good support. If that fails, you can see further downside till 15,500. Bank Nifty over data. So you can see here 33,500 is a very good support here. It should not break, and if that sustain tomorrow, there is a chance it can reach 34,000. And if 34,000 breaks, then you can see further upside on Bank Nifty. And support 33,500 for Bank Nifty. If that fails, next 500 point 33,000. So that's about the index view. Let's look at the training program, guys. If you're really interested to learn technical, right, you can contact me, Hemant at 369. This is the topic which you're going to cover. Let's look at the stock for tomorrow. Okay, Infosys above 1490 you need to watch. If that break 1500 is 503 is the next resistance. And Prestige stage 405 you need to watch. If that break 412. Next is Tata Steel above 886 you need to watch. If that break this resistance, right, easily you can expect 890 900 levels in Tata Steel. Next is Aurofama above 525 you need to watch. If it break, you can easily it can easily try to touch the next resistance is 530 537. That's about the stock for tomorrow. And thanks Manju, and thanks guys for joining our live program. See you on the next video. Cheers, bye.